going to see how to fix NVIDIA installation error code. Yes. So first you need to go to service. Yes, click the services and scroll down. Yes, you have see the Windows installer is there. Click the Windows installer and go to properties, and it should be type should be manual or automatic, no problem, but service status should be running mode. Okay, so if it stop means start it and click apply and okay. Yes, once complete, after restart again. Yes, after that go back and here setting is there. Click the setting option and go to Windows update and check for any update pendings, and it's need to be updated. So first check it. If there is any update, you need to update, and any installation is pending means you need to install it. After that you need to check. Sometimes the pending and installation causes the issues, so clear it all and make it up to date. After that go to control panel. In this program is there, and click the uninstall the program. Still the issue is remaining means you need to go and need to uninstall the NVIDIA. Yes, uninstall the NVIDIA. Yes, uninstall it, and after that go to the official website of NVIDIA and download it. Yes, this is download. Go to the official website and click download, and here you can see the NVIDIA app is downloading right now. And after download you need to install it. Yes, so this is how to fix the issues. As download complete, now we need to come out and install it. Yes, now installing right now. So after install you can open and check. So this is how to fix the issue. So thanks for watching.